Hey everyone, if you want to create AI avatar videos in HeyGen in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to make professional talking avatar videos step by step. First, sign into your HeyGen account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account to get started. Next, click Create Video from the dashboard. This opens the AI video editor where you'll build your project. Now select an AI avatar. HeyGen offers hundreds of avatars with different styles, ages, and languages. Type or paste the text you want the avatar to speak, so HeyGen automatically converts your script into realistic speech. Choose a voice and language that fit your content. HeyGen supports multiple voices and over 100 languages. You can add backgrounds, images, videos, and text elements to make your video more engaging. Customizing scenes helps create a professional look. Resize and move the avatar anywhere on the screen. This gives you complete control over your video layout. When everything is ready, click Generate, so HeyGen will process your project and create the final AI avatar video. After rendering, preview the video and make changes if needed. You can edit the script, voice, or scenes and generate again. Finally, click Download to save the video to your device. Your AI avatar video is now ready for YouTube, TikTok, or social media. If you want something more personal, you can create a custom avatar using your own photo or a short video. This allows you to build a digital version of yourself, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to create AI avatar videos in HeyGen in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.